Hi, I'm Bill Mosley, and I will be your instructor for this class for the fall of 2025. You might be taking any one of my classes, or maybe even more than one of my classes. I teach iOS development, Python programming, and all sorts of web development courses. So this video is for all of those courses. My name is Bill Mosley, and I'm in my 28th year at Bakersfield College. I am a lifelong nerd. I have loved computers and technology and gadgets for as long as I can remember. I have 7 kids and a grandson. All of my kids are swimmers competitively. They all swam in college, and the 2 that aren't in college yet are still swimming club. So we spend a lot of time as a family in the pool. And when we're not doing that, we love to play video games together, go on hikes, and watch stupid movies of all sorts. Um, this class might be a little different than what you're used to, but I hope you will embrace it and dive right in. This is really a learn by doing class, meaning I want you to spend as much time writing code as possible, because writing code and thinking like a computer programmer is really what I want you to learn from this class. Yes, you will learn the specific constructs of a variety of different languages and how computers work and all sorts of things. But the most important thing is thinking like a computer programmer. And the only way to do that is by actually writing code. And so the most important thing is that you write code as much as possible. I do uh, grade 100% based on projects in the class. There are no exams, there are no multiple choice questions, there are no essays. Like I said, it's all about writing code. I do embrace artificial intelligence and the use of artificial intelligence as a programmer and as an instructor, even. But I want you to remember you're here to learn how to code and to think like a computer programmer. And so while you can technically have AI do most of your work for you, just remember that when you walk out of this class, you might want to get a job actually doing computer programming, and it's going to be a while before any computer programmers are replaced by artificial intelligence. Contrary to what the popular media might tell you out there, AI just isn't there yet. It can do simple things very well, but as soon as things gets complex, uh, AI just falls short. And if you don't understand what it is you're doing, you're sort of like somebody without a pilot's license trying to fly a 747. You might be able to taxi it down the runway, or if you're really lucky, you might be able to get it up in the air. But at some point, you're going to get completely lost and the plane's just going to crash. So, as far as this class goes, what I really want to encourage you to do is take the time to learn and struggle with the problems. And I have some ways to help you out if you're struggling and you feel like you need a little hint or some help. Um, there's ways to do that, but I strongly encourage you to not let AI do your work for you. And I'm not saying that you will. I'm gonna trust you as far as that goes. But if I feel like maybe you don't understand the concept of any particular project or unit, what I'm going to do is have a conversation with you and try to make sure that you understand, because that's my job, is to make sure that you understand these principles and understand how to think like a programmer. So that's a little bit about me, my teaching philosophy, and how things will go in this class. I hope I have a great semester. And for those of you that are learning online with me, I hope we get to meet in person at some point, come by office hours, or, maybe we'll see each other at the grocery store. Who knows? But have a great semester. Feel free to reach out to me as much as you need to. And let's have a good time learning together.